Hello everyone and welcome to our very first celebration assembly of 2023. Now we may only have been back at school this week for 4 days, but we've already seen such fantastic effort from many children across the school. It's fantastic to see you all back with such brilliant attitudes to learning, working hard to get your merit points and fill up our merit point tubes this half term. Please remember to keep sharing your achievements from outside of school as well as inside school on our celebration assembly because we love to see them. Keep trying your best, everyone.
I woke up this morning, got out of my bed, looked in the mirror and I got myself dressed.